Welcome back to my channel, where today we explore one of the most mind-blowing creations in automotive and luxury living, the 2026 Bugatti new luxurious motorhome. This masterpiece is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of opulence, power, and engineering brilliance. Bugatti has taken its unmatched expertise in performance cars and fused it with the ultimate in mobile luxury living, and the result is unlike anything the world has seen before. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Bugatti motorhome commands attention with its signature horseshoe grille seamlessly integrated into an aerodynamic front fascia. The body design blends the sleek aggression of a hypercar with the elegance of a luxury yacht. Its sculpted lines and flowing contours not only enhance visual appeal but also improve aerodynamics, ensuring smooth handling for a vehicle of this size. The dual-tone paint options, premium chrome accents, and hidden paneling for storage and utilities add to the flawless finish. Massive alloy wheels with carbon ceramic brakes peek from under the well-defined arches, while adaptive LED matrix headlights give it a futuristic and commanding presence. Day or night. Performance is where Bugatti refuses to compromise. This motorhome is powered by a custom-tuned hybrid powertrain inspired by Bugatti's W16 heritage, producing a staggering output well above 1,200 horsepower. Despite its size, it accelerates with the confidence and smoothness you'd expect from a high-performance Grand Tourer. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, giving you a stable and comfortable ride whether you're cruising on highways or navigating tighter city streets. Advanced torque vectoring ensures that power is delivered precisely where it's needed, maximizing both efficiency and performance. The all-wheel drive system, paired with active aerodynamics, provides unmatched stability and handling, making this luxurious giant feel surprisingly nimble. Step inside, and the interior is nothing short of breathtaking. The 2026 Bugatti motorhome offers an environment that rivals five-star hotels, with every surface crafted from premium materials: a hand-stitched Italian leather, high-gloss walnut, carbon fiber accents, and brushed aluminum details. The spacious lounge area features plush seating, a retractable OLED entertainment wall, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with natural light. The bedroom area includes a king-size bed with silk bedding and ambient lighting for ultimate relaxation. A fully equipped kitchen with marble countertops and high-end appliances ensures fine dining experiences on the go. Every detail, from climate control to lighting, is fully customizable via an intuitive digital interface. Bugatti has also equipped this motorhome with cutting-edge technology. The infotainment system is powered by the latest AI-driven software, offering seamless integration with personal devices, navigation, and entertainment options. Safety is paramount, with a suite of driver assistance features including 360-degree cameras, lane assist, collision prevention, and adaptive cruise control. The 2026 Bugatti new luxurious motorhome is not just about traveling, it's about experiencing the journey in a way that blends supercar performance with unmatched comfort and elegance. It's a rolling palace for those who demand the absolute best, and it proves once again that Bugatti knows no limits when it comes to redefining luxury and performance. If you want, I can also make the trending YouTube description, keywords, hashtags, related searches, and disclaimer for this video so it's fully ready for publishing. That would make it go viral faster. Welcome to my channel, where today we dive into the future of luxury travel with the 2025 new luxurious Audi motorhome, a masterpiece that combines elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Audi has taken its automotive expertise and infused it into a motorhome that redefines what it means to travel and style. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving statement of prestige. From the outside, the 2025 Audi motorhome demands attention with its sleek, aerodynamic design. Inspired by Audi's latest concept language, the signature Audi grille is reimagined to blend seamlessly with the motorhome's front fascia, giving it a bold yet refined look. LED matrix headlights and a continuous light bar at the rear ensure it stands out whether cruising on highways or parked at the scenic spot. The body features sculpted lines that not only enhance aesthetics but also improve airflow, boosting both fuel efficiency and stability. Massive alloy wheels with a sport luxury finish and a slightly lowered stance give the vehicle a road presence that's unlike anything else in its segment. Audi didn't just design this motorhome to look good, it's engineered for performance. Under the hood, the 2025 model offers a hybrid powertrain option, pairing a high-output turbocharged engine with advanced electric motors for smooth yet powerful acceleration. The all-wheel drive quattro system ensures confident handling in all terrains, from city roads to mountain passes. Adaptive air suspension makes the ride exceptionally smooth, automatically adjusting height and stiffness based on driving conditions. Despite its size, the Audi motorhome accelerates effortlessly, handles with remarkable precision, and maintains excellent stability at higher speeds, making long drives not just comfortable but exhilarating. Step inside, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of luxury. Audi's interior design philosophy shines here: premium leather upholstery, genuine wood accents, and ambient lighting create an inviting atmosphere. The driver's cockpit is equipped with Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, offering a fully digital, customizable instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system. The central touchscreen supports voice commands, smartphone integration, and even remote vehicle control via the Audi app. In the living area, you'll find spacious seating arrangements that transform into sleeping quarters, a fully equipped kitchenette with modern appliances, and a dining area that feels more like a high-end lounge. The attention to detail is remarkably hidden: storage compartments, noise-insulating materials, and climate control zones ensure both practicality and comfort. The bathroom is elegantly designed, featuring a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and luxury fixtures, making it feel like a private spa on wheels. The 2025 Audi motorhome isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about experiencing every moment of the journey in unparalleled comfort and style. Whether you're traveling across countries or just enjoying a weekend getaway, this motorhome delivers a level of refinement and performance rarely seen in the world of mobile living. Audi has successfully blended their racing heritage, luxury craftsmanship, and futuristic technology into a single, breathtaking package. If you're someone who demands the best, the 2025 new luxurious Audi motorhome isn't just an option, it's the ultimate choice for redefining your travel lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel, your favorite destination for the most exciting and luxurious rides of the future. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2026 Honda Motorhome, a name that now redefines premium travel with futuristic design, outstanding performance, and home-like comfort. Honda has entered the motorhome segment with bold ambition, and this 2026 model proves they're not just here to participate, they're here to lead. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Honda motorhome looks nothing like what you'd expect. It's sleek, futuristic, and sculpted for modern adventurers. The front grille carries a redesigned chrome Honda emblem with a digitally enhanced lighting strip that runs across the face, giving it an electrifying presence on the road. The motorhome features a seamless aerodynamic body with an extended length and smooth curves, all built to minimize drag and maximize efficiency. LED matrix headlights and laser-guided fog lights add to its road presence, while the side mirrors are replaced with aerodynamic digital cameras for better visibility. The panoramic windows are not just beautiful but functional, offering natural lighting inside and a clear outside view that enhances the sense of space. This motorhome sits on custom-designed luxury alloy wheels that not only look stylish but provide excellent road grip and stability. Every detail has been designed with a premium filet, from the flush-mounted door handles to the motorized entry steps. Honda has also integrated solar panels seamlessly on the rooftop to power internal electronics, making this motorhome more eco-friendly and future-ready. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain that combines Honda's signature smooth combustion engine with dual electric motors. This allows the vehicle to deliver a balanced mix of power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising on highways or climbing elevated mountain roads, the motorhome handles smoothly and powerfully. With a range of over 800 kilometers on a full charge and tank, this is a perfect machine for long-distance travelers. Adaptive suspension ensures a smooth, controlled ride even on rough terrains, and the advanced autonomous driving assist adds to the comfort, making long drives more relaxing. Inside, the 2026 Honda motorhome brings the concept of a luxury suite on wheels to life. The driver's cockpit is fully digital with the panoramic smart screen dashboard, voice-activated controls, and eye-assisted driving modes. The seats are diamond-stitched leather with full recline and massage features. Step into the living area and you're welcomed by ambient lighting, a fold-out entertainment system, a modular kitchen with smart appliances, and a queen-size bed that can be retracted for additional lounge space. Despite the compact structure, space optimization is excellent. You'll feel like you're in a modern studio apartment. Honda's use of sustainable materials, energy-efficient systems, and cutting-edge technology makes this motorhome one of the most anticipated luxury travel vehicles of 2026. If you've ever dreamed of mixing adventure with elegance, this is your chance.